In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to a frame in Canva. If you've ever tried to manually crop a photo into a circle, a letter, or another shape, you already know how frustrating it can be. It takes time, it can throw off your layout, and it's easy to end up with something that looks stretched or uneven. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier with built-in frames. Once you know where to find them and how to use them, dropping photos into clean, professional looking shapes becomes quick and simple. To get started, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're inside an active design project. This is important because the frame tools are easiest to use when you're already working on a design canvas. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right area. Then choose the format you want to work with, like an Instagram post, presentation, or any other layout. If you already have a project saved, you can open that instead. Once your design is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Elements. This opens a panel with all kinds of design assets. Scroll down until you find the Frames section. You may need to click See All to view the full collection. Here, you'll find a wide variety of frame styles, including circles, device mockups, letters, and other creative shapes. Take a moment to browse and choose the one that fits your design. When you've found the frame you want, click it or drag it directly onto your canvas. You'll know it's a frame when it appears, with a placeholder image inside, usually something like a simple landscape graphic. That placeholder shows the frame is ready to accept a photo. Next, you'll need the image you want to place inside the frame. If you're using your own photo, click Uploads in the left sidebar and bring in your image from your device. If you'd rather use Canva's built-in photo library, go back to Elements, use the search bar to look for the kind of image you want, and then switch to photo results if needed. This is helpful when you want a polished stock image without leaving Canva. Now for the final step. Click and drag your selected photo over the frame on your canvas. As you hover over the frame, Canva will recognize it and snap the image into place automatically. Release your mouse, and the photo will drop neatly into the shape. If the photo isn't positioned exactly how you want, double-click the framed image. This lets you move the photo around inside the frame so you can center the subject or improve the composition. When everything looks right, click Done. That's it. You've successfully added a photo to a frame in Canva, and now you can create cleaner, more polished designs with much less effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.